So, hi everyone, this is Leonie here again. I just like to share with you the newest product of the USANA Celavive, which is the Daily Mineral Protective Cream. And I just received this today, and I am going to share with you. And okay, so here is the USANA's Daily Mineral Cream. This is a new product of USANA, and this is a new one, and I'm actually purchasing this on the pre-selling stage because I am fortunate to buy this product. This is one of the many privileges of an independent USANA associate to buy the product before it is available in the market. And this product will be available in the market on the first week of May, probably to May 6th. So I will be sharing with you update of this product. So this product is formulated to protect our skin against blue light and UV rays, which is the leading cause of premature aging. And of course, in my 40s, I wanted to make sure that my skin is protected from hyperpigmentation. And of course, in our skin starts to become sensitive to sun exposure. And remember that too much exposure under the sun increases our risk of skin cancer, especially when our age is in the 40s already. So I will be sharing with you update with this product, and I will try my best to really give an honest review about this product to know if this product is for you. And let me see. Yeah, it's still sealed. It's it just arrived today. So yeah, let me see. Okay, so do this. Okay. All right, so it's very light, and I'm going to put it on the very sensitive area on the skin, which is this one here. Yeah, I'm sorry, that one. The skin. It's supposed to really protect the skin, like sunblock, and really nice and really cool. It's not sticky. Yeah, it's not sticky. So yeah, because it is made to be used every day. And one thing that I really like of this is that this do not clog the pores. I am very fussy with products that are so oily and sticky because I have milia. Milia is those are kind of like really white spot that grows in our skin and our neck here. It is actually you are actually susceptible if your skin is very oily, because when our sebaceous gland excretes a lot of oil, then we will have that white spot in our skin. So that's why I am very fussy with creams and stuff like that. So I am going to try this one. We'll share with you the updates and share with you links. And on May 6th, we'll be sharing with you the Ask the Scientist, so you will know what is the ingredients all about. So another way for us to know if the product is for us is to check on what is inside before you purchase the product. So see you later.